Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use X, formerly known as Twitter. Now, firstly, if you are new, you have to install the Twitter application which is now mentioned as X on the Play Store. Now, if you already had the old Twitter application on your device, it has already been changed. Now, if you open the application, you will find the For You page right in front of you. Now, right over here, you'll find all the trending posts and the things happening around the world. And you will find all the details regarding that post right over here. Now, if you go up, you'll find a following page as well. So this is the feed of the people that you have followed so far. And over here, you will find only the feed of those people. So now let me show you how to engage with the post. Now, it's a very easy process. So in the first option right over here, in the message bubble, you will be able to give a comment on that particular post. So you can write whatever you want. Now, even in this post, you can do a whole lot of things like upload an image. So click on the image icon and then upload an image. Or if you want to add a GIF, click on the GIF option and then just simply search for whatever GIF you want. Then just simply click on that and the GIF will be uploaded. Now, if you want, you can also add a poll. So this is the poll option right over here. If you click on that, you will have the poll option right over here. So over here, you can ask questions. Now, after that, you will be able to adjust the length of the poll as well. So click on that length and then you can adjust the length. Then click on set and the length will be set. And then all you do is just simply click on reply and your reply will be uploaded. Now, you will find more options over here as well. So the first option is the repost option. So this is the option right over here, as you can see. So if you click on this option, you will be able to repost it or quote it. So if you click on repost, now you reposted that post. Now the other option is quote. So if you click on that option, you will be able to tag that particular post and reply on that post inside the comment. And you will have all the options down below as well, which I just mentioned. And in this one, you will also be able to add your location if you click on location. And after that, all you have to do is just simply click on repost and your comment will be sent. Now, if you want to discard it or delete the post that you created, click on discard or delete and the post will be deleted. Now, if you want to like a post, all you have to do is just simply click on the heart icon and the post will be liked. And the bar over here, which has 862,000, this shows how many people have viewed this particular post, as you can see right over here. Now, let me show you how to create a post. So it's a very easy process. If you click on the plus icon at the very bottom, you'll find a lot of options like go live, space, photo, post. Now to post, all you have to do is just simply click on the first option from the bottom. Now you can create a very own post. So you can write whatever you want. If you want, you can add GIFs as well. You can even create multiple posts if you want to. Now you can also set who can reply on your post. So if you click on this option at the bottom, which says everyone can reply, you can choose specific people like verified accounts, account you follow, only account you mention. So these are all the options that you will have. And now all you have to do is just simply click on post all or post. Now your post is successfully made. Now in order to see your post, all you have to do is click on your profile at the top left. Go to your profile. And right over here, you'll find all the posts and the things that you interacted with. Like your post, replies, highlights, media, links, whatever you may have. Now, if you want to edit your profile, all you have to do is just simply click on edit profile, where it's written set up your profile. The option will be right over here. So just simply do it. Now, you will find few options at the very bottom as well, like the magnifying glass. So over here, you can search for any account. So let's say Ronaldo. So if you just simply type the name, you'll be able to find everything related to that particular name. Like the account, every post related to that particular person. And if you want to follow that particular person, all you have to do is just simply click on people at the top, and over here you will be able to find the person who you want to follow. So all you have to do is just simply click on the profile and then click on follow. And that goes for everyone. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like, subscribe to our channel and take care.